In this clip from the original video, I cut out a Kydex plate to make the tip of my shoe stiffer for better toe and shoe tip control. The results have been fantastic, but in the past month of using the plate, I've had to make some modifications that I'll go over next. The first problem I encountered was the back half of the plate cracking. I was glad that it had not cracked beyond the widest point because the widest part of the plate is what keeps it from sliding around in the shoe. I decided to cut it shorter to the length seen in this image. After trimming down the length of the plate, I really thought that would be the last of my problems. Only a day later, I saw signs of the plate cracking again. I didn't want to, but my next resort was to use a thicker plate. The original plate was 1/32 of an inch. The new one is twice that thickness, or 1/16 inch. Again, I thought there's no way this new thicker plate would crack, but I was wrong again. Once again, after only a day of use, it showed signs of cracking. This time, I couldn't cut it shorter because I would then lose the widest part of the plate, which prevented the plate from moving around when in use. Desperate, I decided to try some of my sport tape to hold the plate together once it cracked completely. I was glad to find that this was the last modification needed. With the tape, the plate has been holding up for weeks now. Same as before, the plate goes as far as possible into the front flat of the shoe. I try not to bump the shoe around too much to avoid causing the plate to move around. When sliding my foot into the shoe, I'll be conscious of keeping the plate pushed forward and not pulling my foot back out, which could also pull the plate out. I'll strap my shoes tight and now I'm ready to climb. I don't know how much better of a climber this plate has made me, but I do know it's taken a load off of my big toe. It no longer hurts and I can climb narrow foot chips all day without pain. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. That's all I have for now, and I will catch you in the next video.